Step into the world of Obsidian Tech, your reliable guide in the ever-evolving tech universe. Here at Obsidian Tech, we strive to bring you high-quality, engaging content on all things tech. In today's episode, we will be diving into the world of Windows keyboard shortcuts. Ever wondered how to increase your productivity while using Windows? Keyboard shortcuts are your answer. Imagine a world where you no longer have to move your mouse around to navigate your system or click multiple times to perform a task. That's the world keyboard shortcuts offer. They're like hidden tunnels in a maze, providing a quicker and more efficient path to your destination. Keyboard shortcuts are key combinations that execute certain commands or functions. They can be as simple as pressing two keys simultaneously or as complex as pressing a sequence of keys. By using keyboard shortcuts, you save time and improve your efficiency. They eliminate unnecessary mouse movements and clicks, allowing you to get more done in less time. They streamline your user experience, making it smoother and more seamless. So if you're looking to boost your productivity and efficiency, keyboard shortcuts are your best bet. Now let's explore some of the most useful Windows keyboard shortcuts. Starting with the basics, here are some essential Windows keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts are the building blocks to a more efficient and effective use of your Windows operating system. And let's dive right in. Firstly, we have the copy and paste commands, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V respectively. These commands allow you to quickly duplicate text or images from one place to another. If you've selected a chunk of text or an image, pressing Ctrl+C will copy it, and then Ctrl+V will paste it wherever your cursor is located. It's as simple as that. Next, we have the undo command, Ctrl+Z. This is your safety net. Made a mistake, typed something you didn't mean to, accidentally deleted a whole paragraph of your work. Don't panic, just press Ctrl+Z and it's like it never happened. It's the magic eraser of the digital world. Another shortcut worth mentioning is Alt+Tab. This command allows you to quickly switch between open applications. Let's say you're working on a document, but you need to check something on the internet. Instead of minimizing your document, opening your browser, then maximizing your document again, you can simply press Alt+Tab to switch between the two. It's a real time saver. Now, these are just a few of the many shortcuts available. There's Ctrl+X for cut, Ctrl+S for save, Ctrl+P for print. The list goes on, but don't worry, you don't need to memorize them all at once. Start with these few, and as you get more comfortable, you can start incorporating others into your routine. Remember, the main goal of these shortcuts is to help you work more efficiently. They're tools designed to make your life easier, and the more you use them, the more second nature they'll become. Mastering these shortcuts will already make your Windows experience smoother and faster. And before we move on to some more advanced shortcuts, let's take a quick break to remind you that you're watching Obsidian Tech. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. More tech tips and tricks are on the way. Ready to level up? Here are some advanced Windows keyboard shortcuts. Let's dive into the world of advanced Windows keyboard shortcuts, designed to make your life easier, your work more efficient, and turn you into a Windows power user. First up, we have Win+L. This shortcut is a real lifesaver when you're stepping away from your computer for a moment. Pressing the Windows key and L simultaneously will instantly lock your PC, ensuring your work and personal information remain secure. Next is Win+D. This shortcut is all about decluttering your digital workspace. Press the Windows key and D together, and voila! Your desktop is displayed with all your open windows hidden. Need your Windows back? Just hit Win+D again, and everything will reappear just as you left it. Now let's talk about Win+Tab. This is your ticket to the task view. By pressing the Windows key and Tab, you open the task view, a handy feature that shows all your open windows and any virtual desktops you have set up. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire digital workspace. But wait, there's more. The shortcut Win+E is your speedy gateway to the File Explorer. Forget about navigating through multiple clicks. With Win+E, you're instantly transported to your files and folders. For those of you who love multitasking, the Win+Arrow keys shortcut is a game changer. Depending on the arrow key you choose, you can snap windows to the sides or corners of your screen, or minimize and maximize them. It's all about making the most of your screen real estate. And lastly, for the truly advanced users, there's Win+X followed by a letter key. This opens the secret Start menu. a menu packed with advanced features like disk management, command prompt, and more. Each option in this menu has a letter assigned to it, so after pressing Win+X, press the corresponding letter to open that option. We've covered a lot of ground here, but remember, mastery takes practice, so don't be afraid to start using these shortcuts in your daily routine. Before we wrap up, let's throw in a bonus shortcut. Ever wanted to quickly access your system's settings? Win+Y is your friend. It'll open the Windows settings panel in a flash. With these advanced shortcuts, you're well on your way to becoming a Windows Power user. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks from Obsidian Tech. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Now go forth and conquer your digital world. Now, let's uncover some hidden gems, lesser-known Windows keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts, while not as well known as their more common counterparts, can be real game changers once you get the hang of them. They're like your personal secret weapons for navigating the Windows operating system with ease and efficiency. First up, we have Shift+Delete. This is a shortcut that lets you delete a file without moving it to the recycle bin first. It's a quick and easy way to clear up some space on your computer without the extra step of emptying the recycle bin. It's like the express lane for file deletion. Next we have Ctrl+Shift+N. This nifty shortcut enables you to create a new folder in a snap. No more right-clicking and navigating through a context menu. Just press these three keys together, and voila! A new folder awaits your content. Now, let's talk about Win+Pause. By pressing the Windows key and the Pause key together, you can open the System Properties window. This is a quick way to access important information about your computer, such as its name, type, and the version of Windows it's running. It's like having your computer's ID card at your fingertips, and these are just a few examples. There are many more lesser-known Windows keyboard shortcuts out there, each with its own unique function. From Alt+Enter, which displays the properties of the selected item, to Win+D, which shows or hides the desktop, there's a shortcut for just about everything. The beauty of these shortcuts is that they can help you save time and effort, making your computing experience smoother and more enjoyable. And the best part? They're easy to learn and use. All it takes is a little practice. So why not give these lesser-known Windows keyboard shortcuts a try? You might be surprised at how much they can improve your productivity and efficiency. And remember, the more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. These lesser-known shortcuts can be real time savers once you get the hang of them. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Windows keyboard shortcuts. Remember, getting to know these shortcuts can dramatically boost your productivity. Thank you for joining us on Obsidian Tech. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tech content. Until next time, keep exploring.